This is one of the hottest growing products in the Zipp family right now, the 808. This is an 82 millimeter deep rim, has the new 5-curve sidewall profile that we learned in the development of the 1080 project last year, has been now carried over. A full wind tunnel development has been produced. More than 20 prototypes were used to generate the 808 profile. We've moved into what we consider, or what we call third generation dimpling. The rim has over 4,000 dimples on each side of the rim, each with as many as 20 sides and as shallow as 1,000th of an inch deep. These features, the combination of the sidewall curvature, the tire interaction, and the dimpling, allow the rim to maintain airflow attachment through a wider range of real-world wind angles than any other wheel set on the market. This wheel set is more aerodynamic and more efficient in the wind than the full-on time trial wheel sets we were selling just 5 years ago. The major growth area for this has come from road racing, and you may have seen Fabian Cancellara began riding 808s last year and used them to win his tour stage with his fabulous last kilometer attack, really making 808s a viable product in the road market where previously they'd been seen as a triathlon product. So we now see riders going to deeper rims for aerodynamics. The 808 has the curved sidewall profile, which is actually more comfortable than a V-shaped rim of a shallower depth. And now all rims, including 808, utilize the new for 09 Zipp hub. This is what we call the 188 hub. It's manufactured entirely in the USA using exclusively custom heat-treated materials from Alcoa. This is machined in our facility to our specification and has brought in 2 features that we feel are unique and important to a high-performance race wheel. First, we've added the ability to adjust axle preload in a hub that's fully clamped in the quick release of the bicycle. So one of the things we learned doing friction studies was that you set the preload of a hub in its free state, but when you clamp it in the bike, the axle compresses as much as 5,000ths of an inch, which adds compression and adds preload to the assembly, which increases friction and reduces bearing life. So new for 09, all Zipp hubs, including the 808, use adjustable preload caps, and which can be used to fine-tune bearing preload when the wheel is clamped in the bicycle. Behind the cap, we also have a new replaceable seal, which can be run as either a full contact seal or a single side labyrinth shield. This makes the wheel significantly more impervious to water intrusion, dirt, dust, grime, and allows these hubs to be used for cyclocross, whereas before we didn't recommend that. In all, we've gone to 20 spokes with new radial drive side lacing. This has allowed us to build an 808 that at 20 spokes is equal in stiffness to last year's 24-spoke 808, while being slightly lower weight and having slightly improved aerodynamics of 4 fewer spokes. And that is your new 808.